Hi, this is Infinite Campus trainer Drew Fullerton, and I'll be demonstrating how to export your course reminders to your work calendar and join a live training session. This video contains a lot of information, so in order to get you to the exact information you need, please skip to the following timestamps for the information you are looking for. Once you have signed up for all of the courses you want, you can export course reminders to your work calendar. We will first do this for Google Calendar and then for Outlook calendars. To export reminders to Google, we must click on the Export button in the upper right-hand corner of the My Live Training calendar. From here, click Copy Link. Now, navigate to your Gmail account. Once here, click on the calendar icon on the right-hand side. Then, click the box with an arrow icon to open this in a new tab. Now we must add the new calendar to our account. To do this, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars. From here, select From URL. Click into the gray box where it says URL of calendar and paste the link we copied earlier. Once you have pasted the link, click Add Calendar. We can now see the calendar at the bottom of our list. We can click the back arrow to see that our calendar is now available, and if we navigate to a week where we have training scheduled, we can now see them. We have one last step for this calendar, and that is to set up notifications. Hover your cursor over the newly created calendar, click the three-dot icon, and select Settings. Once you are here, scroll down until you see Event Notifications. Click Add Notification. Here, you can set either an email notification or a simple notification itself, as well as how long before the training sessions you want to be notified. I'm going to set up a notification and an email to be sent out 10 minutes before my training. Once those notifications have been set up, you are all set. Do note that if you add or swap sessions, it may take some time for your Google Calendar to update. If you are using Outlook, the process is a bit different. Back on our new district dashboard, we will click the Export button in the upper right-hand corner of the My Live Training calendar and select Add to Calendar. A pop-up will appear asking if we want to open Outlook. Click Open Outlook. You may get a pop-up asking if you want to add this internet calendar to your Outlook and subscribe to updates. Click Yes on this pop-up. Depending on your settings, this may also add the calendar to your Outlook, and it will be called Untitled. Otherwise, it may simply open up the calendar next to your current calendar. In order to have those courses show up on your main calendar, navigate to the month in which you have signed up for courses. To move courses from the new calendar to yours, all you need to do is drag them over to your calendar. The courses should snap into place where they were scheduled. Do note that if you add or swap sessions, you will need to re-export the calendar and add it again to see those updates. Then you will need to drag those courses over into your calendar just like before. Finally, the last piece we will be discussing is how to join a live training session. We will talk through joining via your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and the new district dashboard. Let's start with joining from a Google Calendar. Once the time comes to join our session, we can simply go into our Google Calendar and click on the session. A pop-out will appear, and you can click on the course link to navigate to the course. Once inside the course, click the session bar and wait until the Join Webinar button appears. Once the Join Webinar button appears, click it to join your session. Let's change gears now and join a session from our Outlook calendar. Once the time comes to join our session, we can simply go into our Outlook calendar and double-click on the session itself. Click the course link to navigate to the course. Once inside the course, click the session bar and wait until the Join button appears. Once the Join button appears, click it to join your session. Finally, let's join a session from our new district dashboard. Once the time comes to join a session, we can navigate to our My Live Training Calendar section of the dashboard and click on the name of the session we want to join. Once inside the course, click the session bar and wait until the Join Webinar button appears. Once the Join Webinar button appears, click it to join your session. And with that, you now know how to export your course reminders to your work calendar and how to join our live training sessions. Thanks for watching this video.